All right.
Here we go. Drum roll, please. Please.
No, gotta do something.
Something.
They understand that we're American. They expect us to have an accent. Okay? It's like every device I have is decided that it needs to show me the news. Do you know I didn't see the news this entire week?
Oh, I'm sure it's glorious.
It's awesome.
I'm not seeing it, yeah.
I have no idea what's going on.
Mm-hmm.
All I know is that the nukes haven't been flying, so.
Parchment paper.
Well, your dad wanted to try out his new toy too.
Maybe that's what it was. I think maybe
Yeah.
I want to say it was a new knife. Yeah, it was.
Yeah,
a
he
new,
probably got a knife from.
new knife, new gun, Nerf gun that is.
Yeah.
And so, you know, we ended up in the ER that night, and we were pretty young, so Mom brought along a book to keep us occupied. The night before Christmas.
Did you learn a new cuss word that night?
Probably so. We were there a long time. We probably left 2 or 3 in the morning. I was so stressed. Aw, it looks good. I was so stressed that Santa would skip our house. Like we wouldn't get presents.
Not quite as good,
Yeah.
but I mean,
It's
still.
not terrible though. Yeah.
No.
Oh, look at that. Not bad. Not terrible.
The worst of them all.
Aw,
but-
yeah, and it's the top, of course.
Ever had that much nutmeg flavor with chocolate at the same time?
One year, Mom put condoms in our stocking.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's.
She put condoms in little mini bottles of liquor in them. I know.
No,
we
16 sounds about the right
Well, I
age.
know we definitely got at least condoms 1 year. That is getting thick.
Yeah, let's change it.
Yeah, it's pretty stiff.
An empty spot here. Consistency of like mortar.
Uh-huh. We're back. Push that way. You still have a little bit to go, or? And then, so that's gonna go on top. Okay, big cut in the middle. Slicing down. How's it feel?
Really good.
Okay. Oh, it's thick. Nice and slow.
You know how I do it.
It's gonna be really pretty. New plate. Here it comes. Boom. Triple layer chocolate cake. Seafoam icing. And walnut and chocolate sprinkled on top.
It's a little leaning now, unfortunately. But
Cutting it in half probably was, I don't know if that was the move.
oh well, thanks.
Sorry, I didn't mean to be bossy.
No, you're fine.
This needs to be tightened up a little bit. This needs to be tightened up. Say it in English.
Yeah.
Broadcasting from Appalachia.
That's a gem throw. Good boy. Good job, River.
Keep going.
Action.
We're doing.
Throw it at you for